An isosceles triangle has base angles that each measures 63 degrees. Which equation can be used to find x, the measure of the third angle in the isosceles triangle, in degrees? Draw a picture. It says the base angles are each 63. And the third angle is x. Triangles equal what? 180, right? So you're adding all of this up. 63 plus 63 plus x equals 180. Now look at your equations. None of them match, but one of them says the same thing. It just looks differently. So you're going to have to find which one says the same thing, but it looks different. This is that thing we don't teach you till next year, but you have to do it this year. It says the two triangles are similar. Similar is your word. It means you're going to set up a proportion probably. It says compare the smaller triangle to the larger triangle. What is the ratio of lengths for any two corresponding sides? So basically, start by color coding. Once you've color coded, set up a proportion. I'm going to use 8 and 24. And then I'm going to use 5 and 15. Now be careful. This fraction is my small triangle and this fraction is my large triangle. What do I have to do to go from 8 to 24? Times 3. How do I go from 5 to 15? Times 3. So do you see anywhere that says times 3? No, because the truth is I did it backwards. We're going from the big triangle to the little triangle, I guess. So if I switched this, how do I go from 24 to 8? I divide by 3, right? So remember, dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by 1/3. This triangle is 1/3 the size of this one. All right, we have another one. Similar figures. We are looking for the true proportion. So go ahead and color code. If you color coded and they don't match mine, you need to change yours. It seems so easy until they give you weird shapes and they twist them all around. And then color code your answer choices. LM, those are purple. ST is purple. MN is orange. RS is pink. RU is blue. Forgot one. All right, once you color code, it is obvious that only one can be correct. So take the time to color code. All right, a circular fountain has a circumference of 21 feet. Which expression can be used to find the diameter of the fountain in feet? So this time they give us the circumference, we need the diameter. So oops, I already messed up. Circumference is 21. Pi is 3, or it looks like they're going to leave it pi, so am I. And 21, no, sorry, I'm all sorts of a mess. And diameter is d. So if pi was a number, and I like to use the number 3, what do I do to solve this equation? I would divide by 3, right? Now, I don't see 7 over here. But what did I do? I divided 21 by 3. What number is 3? 3 is what? 3 is pi, right? Which one of these shows you dividing circumference divided by pi? It says a 25-cent coin has a circumference of 76 millimeters. Which statement about the coin is true? So let's think about it. Circumference, 76 millimeters, and I don't know what the diameter is. Diameter is 2 times the circumference. Is that what our formula says? Diameter times circumference? No. The ratio of the circumference to the diameter is 3.14. The diameter is about 3.14 times 76. Would I multiply 3.14 times 76? Nope, I'm multiplying 3.14 times diameter. The diameter divided by the circumference is about 3.14. This one's tricky. If you solve this problem, you are going to divide by 3. You are not going to divide by the diameter. The net of a rectangular prism and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the total surface area of the rectangular prism? Everything, everything, everything. So you can do this as 2 or 3 big rectangles or a bunch of small ones. This rectangle and this rectangle are the same. This rectangle and this rectangle are the same. And this rectangle and this rectangle are the same. 3 different area of a rectangle problems. Diagram shows a net of a square pyramid and its dimensions. What is the total surface area of the pyramid in square feet? So you have a square here. So you need a formula for a square. And then you have 4 identical triangles. So you are going to need formula for a triangle. Now you only have 1 square, but you have 4 triangles. So make sure that you count all 4 of them.